Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily fix wrongly placed flowers during the crossbreeding class in Heartopia. In Heartopia, flower crossbreeding requires flowers to be planted in alternating colors, but sometimes we accidentally tap so before placing them correctly, and when the colors are and when the colors aren't planted alternately, the crossbreeding won't work properly. But don't worry, this can be fixed. Just open the build mode. This one, just click on this house icon and then just tap on solo build like this. And then next just simply move the flowers to the correct positions. For example, I want to move this flower and I want to move over here so it will plant it alternately like this. And then next just simply tap on checklist and like this. Now the different colors are placed next to each other like this, and it will make the crossbreeding process more faster and easily. And when you're done, just tap on complete this one. And like this, your flower layout is now correct and ready for crossbreeding. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.